Hi guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like the third or fourth time I've tried to record this, but I keep forgetting stuff. Okay, this is the Ghost Witness series, video number 21. The title of this video is The Man at the Post Office. And who's that ghost? I believe we're at video number 5 of Who's That Ghost? Okay, this incident took place at the Delray Beach Post Office on Military Trail. And there's going to be a clip attached to this portion of the video, okay, and to show you where this was, okay, how the arrangement of everything in there. And so what I want to say is, okay, let me just talk more about the ghost himself, and then the clip will kind of show the post office better. Okay, this was a male, a black male. He had very dark skin. He had a white button-down short sleeve shirt, okay, and black pants. So he kind of, to me, when I saw that, I kind of, like, immediately I start thinking about like a waiter or something, right? I don't know who would be, or you know what, it could be someone that went to like a function, right? Like a a wedding or something. I don't know, but he was dressed up. Okay. All right. Anyway, so that's that. When I became aware of this person, I was at the counter, okay, and he appeared, okay, walking sideways with his back to the lobby door, and he was looking at me. And so I turned away, I looked, but not like, it's more like out of the corner of my eye, and I didn't really like engage with him by any prolonged looks, okay, because I was doing something at the counter. Then I left, like pretty much like maybe 20 seconds later I left. Then a woman drove up in a truck, I believe, or a van, a black female. She drove up, she parked the car, and she came in as I was exiting the post office. And that's when I started to think, well, wait a second. There's nobody in that post office. I left. This lady's coming in, and there was nobody else that I didn't hear the door open because no one came in, okay? So that's when I realized this is another supernatural event, okay? So I'm going to stop talking, and then what I'm going to try to do is splice the two videos together so you can see the post office. Now that I'm in Florida, I'm going to show the locations where these incidents took place, okay? So because I'm here, so I can do that. And so that's it. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, so this is the post office in Delray Beach. This is on Military Trail, and this is where I saw the ghost. Now, what happened was, here's the doors, okay? And I had come in, and I was over there at the self-service kiosk. And when I was finished over there, I came over here to this counter, and I was just doing, I think I was addressing an envelope or something. There I am. And as I was looking down, okay, you can see it's not far. Like, this is not a big distance, okay? There's the post office, there's the, right there is the letter box. This is the lobby, okay? And then here's the door, right here. There's only one door, okay? And so this is where I was, standing right here, and I was looking down, and, out of the corner of my eye, a man came in, and I literally was here. Okay, I don't think I was here. I was here. And a man came in, but the door didn't open, right? So it was like, it was a ghost. But I was like absorbed, okay, in what I was doing. And that's where, it was strange. So anyway, this man came in, and he kind of was walking sideways, okay? It's like, it was weird, right? He was walking sideways. like this, like instead of walking straight forward like this, he was walking, to the side, okay? And so he came there and he walked this way, sideways, right? And I was focused here, but I was aware of him. And then I went outside, like just out here, and through the, to the parking lot. And at that time when I walked out, right here, okay, somebody pulled up in a car. It was actually some kind of a truck, okay? And so it was a black female. She got out of the car and she came in here, and I was not focused anymore on the man. And then I just went to my car. Here's my car. So I want to just show this place. Okay, this is Military Trail right here. And see how deserted this is? It's deserted, and this parking lot is always like this. It's kind of dark, okay? Kind of, someone else just came here, so I don't want to film them. But, so it's always very lonely here. Anyway, so the man that came in was a black male with dark skin, and he had a short sleeve white button down shirt and black pants. And it's like, I was doing my thing with the envelope right there, okay? And then I left, and then I started to, kind of figure out, okay, this guy never left, and he never really entered either, right? So it was weird. So I just wanted to show this place because I had to come here today anyway. So this is video number, I think it's 21, Ghost Witness series. And this is called The Man at the Post Office.